Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's Sunday guys, and it's another winter day here in Grande Prairie. But I'm about to shovel some snow, as you guys can see. And then I'm going on the road with you guys today. Just gonna be doing a grocery haul. Of course, you know, coming to Canada as a new immigrant, living on a budget is vital, guys. So we're gonna be going to a grocery store today to do some shopping, and we're gonna try and spend the least amount of money we can spend and get the most amount of things. That makes sense? Anyways, make sure that you subscribe, hit that like button, and definitely drop a comment, guys. All right? Blessings, 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 guys. Blessings to everybody who click on this video. And of course, guys, show some love. Check out the description, support any way you can. All right, forward on the trip today. Guys, it's crazy outside. I'm not even joking. We feel like we're like about to drive in the middle of a snowstorm. So not snuggled up, looking like an Eskimo. Kids in the back as usual, guys. As I said, we're going to No Frills. Actually, it's a store that we have been to before, and we did a video there before, guys. But you know, with inflation and with everything that the world is going through, prices change, right? So we're gonna be doing another grocery haul. Our intention is to spend as minimum amount of money today, whilst getting the maximum amount of stuff, if that makes sense, right? That makes sense? Yeah. So in other words, we're just gonna be doing our regular grocery shopping and see what the cost is gonna be. But our intention is really to spend as minimum as possible. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like the video and leave a comment, guys. We're gonna be showing you guys what outside look like a little bit. So as we travel towards it, we'll show you guys some scenes. I'm telling you guys, outside is crazy. You need lettuce, right? Or not? What's the price for that? So this is a scallion, guys, or green onions. $2.49 for a little batch. And that's we don't need no lettuce. So, oh, I thought you said we didn't need it. No, try pass it. I know lettuce price that. That's a celery. Oh. Lettuce $2.49. Sweet pepper. or bell pepper, $4.99. But yeah, consider which one to get. What's the difference? I'll just have two more. Yeah, I took up a smaller one because we realized to them the must go on. One pop chow? We haven't bought it in a while. Yeah? I said we haven't bought pop chow in a while. Yeah, they kind of look oldish.
No, this one, look at it. You can see the inside there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's alright.
So it's a tone piece of chicken.
We'll have broccoli.
We have broccoli.
Yeah, but more corn. We haven't had beetroot in a while. You wonder which one to get? Yeah, that seems like it makes sense. We don't need any carrots. Yeah, probably because them it's like you think I truckers or oh it's a plant up there soon. Plant over there. Or just come in. No, I can just let's let fire so I run go for two. Yeah guys, if you're not in Jamaica you'll know this as plantain, but in Jamaica we call it what? Plantain. Oh, we're running low on onions, but I'm not sure if I just want to get it at Costco or not. I don't know, I realized that the onions here spoil a lot quicker than ones in our Costco. So I'm going to don't buy it, that'll be away some money. You want them at home as well? Pick it up then. Fruits and veggie guys, as you can look on the prices. Want red banana? Banana look nice though.
Fine, thank you.
That look good? You look green? Yeah, look really pretty. You're too pretty. 79 cents a pound. Sorry. Yeah, no worries, just squeezing by. Tomatoes. Any cucumber? Any cucumbers? What's up? Yeah. So far so good, guys. We're just going through, just grabbing some stuff. As I said, we're not really picking and choosing. We're just doing our like grocery shopping. But the thing is, we want to try and spend as minimum as possible, whilst trying to get as much stuff as possible. It's up to you, babes. I don't know. I don't like the Costco ones. I don't like them on here anymore. Yeah.
Guacamole.
Yeah. Guacamole? I don't know. How do you test when avocado, aka pear, is ready, guys? Not because nuts don't know how to do it. Real Jamaican way, just squeeze it a little. Yeah, this good, babes. This good. Squeeze it without squeezing it in too much. Nuts doesn't know how to test pear. If it right. Take it on.
I'm just taking one.
Yeah. So far, so good. Bacon, bacon, bacon. What's the prices on the bacon? Is it strange that I don't like bacon, guys? I don't know. Like, not enough bacon to eat for me. Like, I don't know. But you know what I like? You know what I like, guys? Franks. You get this amount of francs for $5.49. Hey, babes. Oh, I've missed that. Costco don't have that. The next thing, guys, is it strange that neither Nuts nor myself don't like turkey? So those are the size of the turkey and those are the prices. But me and us now look over this because, as I said, we don't like it. So look over to the chicken section. I don't like this stripe though, babes. This is like the beef stripe. Yeah, I don't like this stripe. What I gives I don't know, like chicken. One more kidney? Can take up two.
I experienced. I'm just. Let's look over here.
Oh, look. Not say the kidney look away, guys. $4.37 for like a packet. The good thing, you know, man, that's not enough, you know, like one packet can serve well 2 times.
2 times. Can't serve 2 times.
Eh? Can't serve 2 times?
But you eat. You not eat.
Hmm?
You don't know you eat no fun.
Where's that one? Like, set up on camera. Where's that?
Say what?
I try to tell like about me eating. I don't eat enough for people.
Okay.
Lies, what else is over here? Let's see. You can get what, a duck? You can get duck for $3 a pound. Frozen. So that's the thing, guys. Like, you have so many options. Of course, you can get like oxtail, but oxtail is kind of on the expensive spectrum, and considering that we're trying to spend as minimum today as possible.
Taking up everything that's right here.
Yeah, because we're not gonna know what else. Of course, we're headed into Malika's favorite aisle, the pita shore aisle. But you know what, guys? We got good news. Malika starts eating like some food right now, so she is more open to a few other stuff that she wasn't open to recently. So that kind of make her life a little bit easier, right, babes?
Yeah, but she still wants something.
Still need her pita shore. If any representative from pita shore watching this vlog, guys, you need to reach out to us, because we always bless you know up. And plus, Malika is our number one customer. Well, Malika not working. Malika parents is your number one customer. You want vitamins? Oh, you know what you need, babes? You need a deodorant, a spray on. Yeah, guys, so guess what we found? Guess what we found? Guess what we found? The best thing we're gonna get was the Scotch bonnet right there now. We don't need it? Ah, not so we don't need it. Living on a budget, guys, that's what it's all about. Prioritizing. Apparently we don't need the hot pepper.
You don't need the pepper. You know, stay without pepper.
Eh?
Stay without pepper all long.
Babes, you know, I feel I'm gonna sneak it in our card. Babes, at $1.39.
So what?
Alright, you call the shots, go shoot.
You can't say, you want to take a picture.
Here I know, here I know, here I know,
I
here I know.
keep that one camera store and I said, don't take it up, and then, you know,
Here you go. Put it in the card. Anything else right here, sir? Let's see. You have the Scotch bonnet one where they like. I don't see no browning though. Oh, they have browning. Oh, they have browning. It's more expensive than Walmart. But it's there, we need it, and we now go to Walmart. Huh?
It's dusty.
Dusty? And then you have jerk seasoning. Grace jerk seasoning. But I'm not getting about enough free promotion still about Walkers with jerk are the baddest thing. You need to go to the dollar store for the Ziploc bag? Yeah. Good old basmati rice, guys. 8 pounds for $8.99. That's not bad. Here, babes. And we have a lot of flour and sugar. We don't need any other. Thanks to Costco. Can also take up baked bean. Can't go wrong with baked bean. We have a lot of spaghetti still. We could have find like one corned beef. Oh, Malika. Malika, you like any of these biscuits, mommy? Malika Jade. Malika Jade. Do you want an Oreo? No? You don't want an Oreo? You don't want an Oreo? Try to smile. Oreo, Malika. Oreo, Malika. Or is it Oreo, Natasha?
Or is you?
Are you gonna pick it up?
No.
No? Okay. Nothing better than that island, man. Cause we have cornmeal already. We have flour. Now let's just go around. We still have ice cream. The ice cream is supposed to want throw out our fridge. Now. Usually we can find like a packet of Milo in this aisle. That's what we usually get. Because we have like a lot of chocolate tea and tea bag and stuff already. So not even consider that. Oh, there it is. Grab a packet of Milo, guys. Of course, we are on a budget today, so we're definitely gonna want to take up the small one. The big one is for $11. Small one is for almost $6. Let's take up the small one. Let's see. You also have Ovaltine down there, guys, which is like the same price. Nuts. Nuts. The Milo or Ovaltine. Tough decision, I know. Nesquik, but don't we have chocolate? Oh, that I got. That's supposed to. We still have a lot in it, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
So which one? Milo, Ovaltine. Where's the Nesquik? I don't see the Nesquik. Okay, guys. So we cannot decide, so let's put it to the comment section. Which one is better, guys, or which one do you guys prefer most? Do you guys prefer Milo, Ovaltine, or Nesquik? I know it's a tough decision because right now we can't figure it out, but I feel like we're gonna go with the, well, all three is pretty much the same price, so it's not a pricing thing. So not seem like you prefer the Nesquik. So in case you guys were wondering, Nuts prefer the Nesquik. So obviously the Nesquik win. Just an update, guys. This is where we are right now. Getting there. We have meat, vegetable. We realize that we never really need as much as we thought we need, because we're going through the aisles and we keep saying, oh, we have that, we have that, we have that, we have that. But yeah, the cart is fairly like almost full. Not all the way to the top, but full enough. Just gotta be going around, probably grab some juice stuff and any little snack we can get, and then yeah, head to the cashier, guys. Fingers crossed that it's not outside our budget. Yeah, there's a lot of snacks. So usually, guys, in the snacks you can get like everything is like for $1. So you can just pick, choose, and refuse, go all the way down. Everything is $1 or so.
Oh, in this section?
Yeah, right here.
In the snacks, there's a section. You're over there as well.
Not sure our technicalities.
And it's not $1 for it.
But these is for $1, babes.
These are in the snacks.
So these are what, not snacks? Babes, go on. Malika, what do you need now? Cheese? You want it? Yeah. Me that eat that. You want to give it a try, Malika? What's that? Nacho? That snacks there, the Dorito looking snacks there. What's that? Buy my sample it. What's that? Snacks. Oh, cheese, pretty much. You prefer this or the one we take up? And man kind of like Pringles again. Oh, both of them? Okay. I can only pick up one. We're on a budget. So that's it? You want an ice cream or anything? Yeah. Let's see what them have. Let's see what are the options. Yeah, babes. One more stop and it's the cashier. Why I say that? Moment of truth, guys. So we have basically filled the cart. Trying to live on a budget here today. Let's see. Moment of truth. Just a top up. Moment of truth. Let's go. Hello. It's pretty good. How are you? Beautiful day in Alberta.
But guys, look at this. See if we can focus it. And it only came up to, sorry about that. Look, 187, guys. Can you believe it? 187. It took up so much stuff.
France.
Yes, guys.
Probably in a free life.
She's look like she's a manager or something. She just looks like.
Oh, cool. Yeah, you kind of get slowed down. You slow down, you know. That's nice.
Yeah.
So you can believe it's $187. No, it's dirty, mommy. Can't touch it.
Woo. Beautiful day, babes.
Just hurry, please.
Huh? Guys, hold on. Just warming up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Outside, it's crazy. yeah. Now with that said, guys, as Nat just said, we spent $187. Are pretty much full of cart. There's a few stuff so that I normally get. Well, we're not get today because we have some stuff at home. But I think we still got a lot for $187. And if it is that you really need to make a dollar stretch, whatever we buy could probably bring us through a week or 2 weeks, give and take. So you can definitely stretch a dollar. And of course, as you guys were seeing as well, we pick up a lot of stuff that we never need. So I know like we were focusing only on the essentials, right? We took up a bag of stuff that we never need. So yeah, so you can definitely, and bear in mind, guys, that we're in Prairie as well, which is more expensive than some other places, right? So you can definitely survive. All you need to do is to be smart, and you can definitely survive on a budget, right? So like, for example, if it's just me and Nats and the two girls, this will probably bring it through to 2 weeks. We won't probably come back until probably not next week, but the week after, give and take. And if we come back, it would probably be for something different and stuff. So you probably do a grocery shopping like this like twice a month. So you can budget $500 and you can get grocery for the entire month, right? But you just have to be smart because there's a lot of stuff that is more expensive than some. And like everywhere else, you have more expensive grocery stores than others. So you just have to shop around a little bit and focus on what you need, and then you can look at what you want, right? Don't just go crazy. Don't just go crazy in terms of just start spending an exuberant amount of money on groceries when you just come. You know, just focus on what you need, and then you know you're not gonna starve, and then you can start focus on your little stuff that you want based on your own personal needs and stuff. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're about to tackle the snow to go home. Thank you so much if you're watching this far in the video, guys. It means that you guys would have gotten some substance, some value, or at least some entertainment. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Join the community, smash that like button, and definitely leave a comment. It really helps us out, guys. So as I said, guys, as we're going into a new week, take care of your mental health. Is very important, just as important as a physical health. All the best for the upcoming week. Put your best foot forward. Be positive in all things you do. Don't encourage no form of negativity, and bless up yourself. Stay safe. Until the next video.
See ya.
Bye.